My brothers, my sisters, reconnecting with revelation will guide us to relying on Allah Almighty and understanding that we shouldn't allow the statements of people to make us so sad when we know we are not what they're saying. Rather, turn to the Almighty who knows the real you. Turn to the Almighty who knows the real you. Continue to worship Him, continue to declare His praise, continue to find yourself in prostration, and don't give up. That's a beautiful teaching. And I think many people are struggling across the globe because of what others think of them or what they've done. If what you've done is within the obedience of Allah, acceptable by Allah, don't worry what everyone else says or thinks. They are not going to worry about what you think when they need to do something, and you are worried about what they think when you need to do something. That's not correct. We should be concerned about what Allah thinks, or how will Allah take this? I'm about to do something. What is the ruling when it comes to revelation? So remember, rather than worrying about people, worry about Allah. And that's why Allah says, declare the praise, our praise. Worship us, don't worry about mankind. Reconnect with us, reconnect with revelation.